How to make money from home in 2021? 9 tips. Let's go. What's up, guys? Chris Craze here, and today's video is how to make money from home in 2021. We got 9 tips coming right at you with websites and all, and they're not what you think they are. And guess what? We even got a bonus for you if you stick till the end, and you won't believe what it is. But do me a favor, hit that like button, the subscribe button, and notification bells. And before we get into it, do that, and let's get into it. Let's go. Number 1 is writer. What is a writer? Well, you don't know what a writer is? I'm sorry to say, you got to figure that out first. But number 1 is writer. Some websites for writers is writeraccess.com and of course textbroker.com. You can write, and when you write, you get paid. Other people have writing requirements and writing assignments, and you fulfill those assignments and you get paid to do just that. Of course, number 2 is transcriptionist. What is a transcriptionist? Doctor's notes, legal notes, anything from lawyers, tons and tons of notes. Yes, you got a lot of notes that need to be written and a lot of things that need to be transcribed. Videos need to be transcribed. There's other certain audio messages that need to be transcribed. You can get paid to transcribe. What are some websites for that? You got speakwrite.com. That's speakwrite.com for my listeners. And of course, Scribie, Scribie.com for the listeners as well. 2 websites that you can apply to get writing jobs. You can actually apply to be a writer. There's a lot of things on there. And be a transcriptionist, because that's what we're talking about here. So number 3 is virtual assistant. Tons and tons of virtual assistants are needed more than ever right now. A lot of businesses are going online right now and they need VAs. VA, virtual assistant, get it? Haha. Anyway, so websites for that. You have remote.co, remote.co. Now you see here executive assistants, some admin assistants, senior managers. They have a lot of listings here, and of course you can apply here as well. You also have vanetworking.com. Yes, vanetworking.com, and you have taskrabbit.com. TaskRabbit is a great website. Tasks, tons of tasks on there, and of course transcriptionist and writing and many other tasks are available on there as well. And last but not least, yes, this is actually true, go visit it if you don't believe me, hiremymom.com. Yes, hire my mom, not my mom, not your mom, but hiremymom.com. You can go there and there's tons of jobs there and you can apply there as well. Now, what is number 4? Virtual bookkeeper. Bookkeepers are in high demand right now. Tons of businesses are being started and people need bookkeepers. They don't want to do the mundane task of putting all these transactions into different computer programs. I don't know. I'm not a bookkeeper, so you got to know that. But you want a bookkeeper to do your books. You don't want a CPA just to do your bookkeeping tasks, because CPAs charge a lot more. The bulk of bookkeeping is record keeping. You're putting transactions into programs. Yeah, I already explained that, so you don't got to listen to me say it again. I don't know. Number 5 is flipper. No, serious. Number 5 is a flipper. Retail arbitrage is also what it's called. What do you do exactly? You go buy something for one price and you sell it for another and you make the difference. Simple as that. And there's tons of places to do this. You can go find deals at certain stores. You can do it on OfferUp. You can buy things from Amazon. So Amazon sells entire pallets of items that they give away. Yes. Well, they don't give them away, they sell them. But what they do is all the returns, all the stuff that doesn't go back to customers, they put it into an entire pallet, they package it, and they basically either auction it off or they sell it, depending on who and where you're getting it from. But you don't know what's in there. That's the key to it. And I have a couple people that I know that make a lot of money doing this. They built sustainable businesses because some of these things, you've returned stuff to Amazon, they're still good. However, the time it takes to resell those individual items, they would just count it as a loss. They go ahead, they put it on the pallet, they sell the entire pallet for like $500, $1,000, whatever it is. More or less, you're going to make money. You just don't know how much. One pallet, you may make a couple grand. One pallet, you may make a lot more or a lot less. However, they end up making money on it. You make money on it. Everybody makes money on it. I've actually done this in the past with USB cables. Bought it from one store, sold it to somebody else on OfferUp. It's a great, viable business, but it takes work, like all of these do. So what's number 6? Number 6 is proofreader. Yes, proofreader. All that writing needs proofreading. A lot of reports, a lot of things that are submitted, they need proofreading. They need simple things that are corrected. A lot of translations need proofreading. So this is great because this makes an entire market for proofreading for people like you. What do you do and where do you go? Well, I don't need to tell you what you do because proofreading, you are proofing the reading that you're reading. Get it? Anyways, Scribbr.com. You have SCRIBBR.com for my listeners. And as you can see here, Scribbr, whatever you want to call it. Of course, Edit 911. Don't call 911, just Edit 911.com. And of course, Edit Fast, editfast.com, and Wordy.com, WORDY.com. So those are a couple sites there. Now, these proofreading jobs are great. They make anywhere from 22 to 27 per hour, and that's perfect because you could do it from home. You could do it from here. You could do it from your couch. You could be on the beach, wherever. You could just do it. Just do it. Nike. Anyways, number 7. Number 7 is create and build products to sell. Sites like Etsy, Pinterest, and of course OfferUp are great places to do this. I know a couple people that do this. They build jewelry, they build earrings, they make a sustainable business on it, okay? Things like Etsy and Pinterest, you'd be surprised what type of people like the products that are made. If you make a good type of product or a good style of product and it gets out there, you could go viral and you can make a lot of money. So those are a couple options for you there as well. Now, what is number 8? Number 8 is photographer. Not a video, this is a video, duh. But you could be a photographer. Yes, people actually buy your photos. And nowadays, especially with the iPhones and all this good stuff that has really good camera capabilities, you can take good photos. Just look up how to take photos. I mean, just snap a couple photos, but a couple sites for that: depositphotos.com, iStockphoto.com, of course, Shutterstock.com, 2020.com for the listeners, TWENTY 20.com. And of course, there's many more. There's like 40 or 50 or 60. Maybe I'll put a list in the description. I will actually put a list in the description, so you just take a look there. Now, what's number 9? Number 9 in our list of how to make money from home in 2021 and what's trending is social media manager. You have agencies, which you could start an agency and you could actually turn this into an agency, but you're not at an agency level yet, but you could manage social media for somebody else. There's a lot of people that have businesses that are getting started, a lot of entrepreneurs and a lot of influencers and solopreneurs is what they're called, and they need social media managers. And you would be surprised at how much they make. Beginner, $15 to $50 an hour. But guess what? When you do this well enough and you're good at it, up to 120 or more per hour. Again, per hour. Yes, isn't that crazy? So those are the 9 different possibilities that you could be making money from home in 2021, and they're trending right now big time. A lot of businesses are going online, and I know this because I have businesses in certain sectors like this, and I actually hire people in a lot of these different areas. You'd be surprised at how many. Now, I promised you guys something earlier on the video, and that is ding, 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 ding. That's the bonus section. I told you we were going to be doing it. And the 3 sites that you can go to, I'm actually going to make it 4 because I like to over deliver. And they're not something that you heard of before, so it's not Fiverr, and no, it's not Upwork. But guru.com, GURU.com, freelancer.com, of course, peopleperhour.com, and cruisescale.com. It's just for the developers and the coding. And guess what? We're getting dark here, so I need to go, okay? Thanks for watching. This was how to make money from home in 2021. That sun is setting. And guess what? I just missed it because I'm here with you guys. It's okay. My heart goes out to you. Anyways, on the next video, we'll see ya.